Welcome to our YouTube video on how to view all attachment messages on Telegram. In this tutorial, we will show you the steps to easily access all media files shared in your chats on the Telegram app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your Android device. Once you have launched the app, you will see your chats and contacts listed on the main screen. Step 2. Tap the search icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to search for specific messages or media files within your chats. Step 3. A list of media types will be displayed, including photos, GIFs, links, videos, documents, and audio. You can select the category of media files that you want to browse by tapping on it. Step 4. Once you have selected a media category, you will be able to view all the attachment messages that fall under that category. You can scroll through the list to find the specific media file you are looking for, and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view all attachment messages on Telegram. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.